Welcome back, my friends. It's good to see you again. I hope you are already prepared for a new video, so prepare a popcorn for yourself and here we go. My friends, as you for sure know, in the previous videos we were able to cut everything down on the property to process the firewood, but we have a little problem here. We left with these huge piles of branches here. The one is here, second one is down there. So now we are really thinking what we should do with it. And because the life on the countryside is not only about the building project, but really focus also to the growing and the garden, we are going to process these branches to a biochar. The question, why biochar? I don't know if you are already familiar with it, but it's an awesome biological tool for your garden. For the making of biochar, we are going to use a cone method. I think it's a really simple method how to create a biochar. You really do not need any kind of specific equipment for it. You just need to really dig a hole in the ground and burn every woody material inside of it. And because we really do not want to do it by hands, we are going to use this beauty here. As you can see, I dig a huge hole, and tomorrow I'm going to burn all these branches, all this wooden waste, and yeah, the plan is to produce biochar. My beloved subscribers, let's go. Today we have to produce some biochar. Yesterday I did all preparation what we need for today. We have branches here, we have a firewood, we have a material for the producing of biochar, and also I dig a hole for a pit cone method, yeah, of burning of biochar. So yeah, let's go, let's start. Not good news. I was really not thinking about something like that, so at first we have to somehow get this water outside of the pit. So let's go. The water is gone from a pit, but anyhow it's still a little bit wet, so I'm going to put a wooden pellet on the bottom and then build a fire on the top of this wooden pellet. I just want to prevent from the start to contact the water with the fire. You don't know, these two guys don't like each other very well, and anyhow in 1 hour when this pit will be full of the red hot charcoal, it doesn't matter then. So let's go. So at first we are going to start really nice fire here with really dry wood, and when it will be running really hard, then we are able to put on the top all these branches around. So, and now we are going to put layer by layer of branches and then build the charcoal on the bottom of the hole. The reason why the hole have to be as in a shape in a cone is it prevent of airflow on the bottom of the cone, and the fresh branches will consume all oxygen from the surrounding air, and it will preserve the charcoal on the bottom. Hopefully till the end of the day it will be full of the char. Pile is burning, it's getting bigger and bigger, but we have really big branches, sometimes big wood, so we have to start the chainsaw, make it smaller, because it's a problem when it's really super long. It's not burning very well. So yeah, a little obstacle, but we will make it. And we are burning and burning. We are not even in a 50% of our burning. We still left with, I don't know, 60% of all firewood not burnt, but in the middle of a fire it's already forming the bomb of charcoal, red hot charcoal. So, and the new branches, as I said, prevent the airflow to these charcoals on the bottom, and they stay preserved. So this is the beauty and the simplicity and efficiency of the pit cone method of producing biochar. Beloved subscribers, I was not even dreaming about this, but we were able to put down the last two big trees. It was evaluated as a danger for the future house here. So now my really good friend had the time to come here, put them down, and now we have to process all this wood, burn the branches in the pit. So yeah, a lot of things to do. first pile is already burned. Now we are processing the branches from these pines, and we are going to start to burn second one down there. Look at it. Blah. At the end we have a little help here, so maybe we will do it today. We are super tired. Day is almost at the end. We have a huge pile of biochar inside still burning. We are cleaning the area here, but look here, the first huge pile of branches which was there is already gone, it's burned, and also all branches from the pines. So more or less like a 60-70% of all stuff is burned already, and we will see because I don't think so we'll be able to produce everything today. Anyhow, that doesn't matter. Yeah, so always possibility to have two burns, so no worries. Here we are. So again, I'm tired as I don't know what, but anyhow, it's getting dark. It's around 6 p.m. today, and we were able to process and burn like a 60-70% of all branches and this wooden waste. And look at that beautiful pile of charcoal. So now I have to wait like, I don't know, 20 minutes till the bigger pieces will burn down, and then I have to fill this whole area with the water, and then the biochar will be already done, guys. And this is the right time. I know I have still little bigger chunks on the top, but doesn't matter. So now I'm going to fill whole this big chunk of charcoal with the water. And as a tip for you guys, be careful. At first it's super hot, and second, you have to apply so much water inside, because if you will leave just a little bit of really hot char inside, it will burn to ashes. Yeah, so, and you won't produce the biochar, but only a big pile of ash. Few days after biochar burning, we are going to check the final product. So I'm really curious. Here it is. So look at it. It's a really full hole of charcoal. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I think absolutely gorgeous material. Yes, we have here like a huge not burned chunks, but no worries, I will burn it in a next round, because we still left with a huge pile of branches. Still, it's not processed. Here we have a phase where we have to sort the unburned pieces of the wood from a charcoal. But I'm going to really sort and separate just the huge unburned chunks. Why? I will use it in the next round of the burning, but guys, you really do not have to worry about the small ones. Anyway, I'm going to use it for a compost creation. So if I will have the small wood particles, it will be just beneficial for a compost. As you can see, nothing critical, just really few pieces of unburned wood, and everything else is absolutely gorgeous biochar material. And we have a final part. Now we have to somehow dig the biochar from a hole and store it. But we are definitely not going to do it by the shovel. Is in the big bag. The 90% of all biochar is already in, but now we really have to go back to the shovel and clean the details. So let's go. As you can see here, the big bag is almost full. The hole is empty, not 100% but empty. Yeah, the original plan, I was thinking, okay, I should now clean it, but I'm going to burn second pile, so anyhow I will clean it just really after we will finish all burning. Biochar is done. We transport it to the next property. It's here. It's a full big bag. Approximately it's like 1.5 cubic meter of biochar, and now I'm going to show you how the final product looks like. So look at that stuff. It's just a normal charcoal from the wood. There is no ash inside. It's really like a char, my friends. And because we have a super hot weather during the spring, I have a lot of material already to start my own composting process, I would say. And because I have a lot of biochar down there, I will show you how I'm charging the biochar and how I'm producing the compost with the biochar for the next season. So stay tuned, give me a sub, and please do not miss this next video.